I found a good example of this in an argument on a blog by a man named Hunter Baker. Hunter Baker made the following argument about the Affordable Care Act. He said a lot of doctors worked very hard in medical school, as pre-meds and in medical school, and set up their practice believing that they were going to be able to get a certain monetary reward. Now we're changing the rules so they can't get it. Now, someone might say, well, wait a minute. They have a legitimate entitlement to a greater amount of money. There was a system in place. They followed certain rules, and they were able to, with the expectation that there would be certain return. And now the rules have changed on them. Now, my response to Hunter Baker is, well, that's a good argument if you assume that the system within which they were working was just. Right? If it wasn't, we can say, well, to some extent, they were counting on taking advantage of an unjust system, right? And that's a problem. But you see how the idea of legitimate entitlement works here. There's a system in place. People know what the system is, and they make their decisions, including many times passing up other opportunities or working harder when they could have had leisure time, with the belief that the extra work is going to lead to more money. Right? And if so, right, and if they're following the rules and the rules say they can keep the money, then they should be able to keep the money.